Are you stupid or slow? Why in the hell would you walk out?
Come on, D. You know why. What is a good way to explain that I was out all night playing arcade games at Joe's with a couple of old high school friends? She wouldn't believe that, man.
She would have dummy. I mean, what's gotten into you, man? You rarely stay out late. I mean, even when we're having a few beers, you check out early. What's with you, Scott?
After our vacation, Maya and I have grown distant. I don't know if it's me or what's been happening at work.
You mean those crazy robberies? That shouldn't be affecting your relationship, let alone your marriage. Just know, I'm rooting for you guys, always. I know you would do the same for me and Bunny.
Thanks, D. Speaking of Bunny, has the show started yet?
It should be starting any minute now. Good thing this cafe got a TV. My baby's finally making it to the big leagues.
Game day has officially arrived for Norman University's 2018 homecoming. The rivalry continues when the Norman Wingnuts take on the Roman College Jaguars. And don't forget, Rock Slap will be doing the halftime show featuring the Norman University Marching Band. That is a show you must not miss. Be sure to stay updated with our NWKR 14 News app and get ready for the game of the century. Back to you, Dave. You know, you could have told me that. I would have understood. You do need your guy time.
I didn't know how you would take it. Guy time is important, but I do remember that I have a wife at home. I hope that whatever is happening at work is not going to split us apart. I would hate to lose you.
Nothing will never come between us. I'll make sure of it. I love you, Scott.
I love you too, Maya. So, how much did we get?
We got some good stuff from that place. Your girl Lizzie, she's a keeper. She stayed on the ground floor while I cleaned house on the top level. Found some real cool vintage Ron and Company files you could use. We even got some old Shake Room files we could sell to the highest bidder. This is the score we've been waiting for. So, when's the auction?
Yeah, about the auction. There's been a few changes since we last spoken. As it turns out, a few bidders went at my last minute. But, I know a way to fix this. Don't worry.
That's strange. Why would they punk out on us last minute? Somebody tipped them off.
Not exactly. You see, they've heard about a few of your items belonging to the Shake Room. Not to mention, they got real proof that you planned the first heist at their warehouse. So unfortunately, your stealing days are over. Indefinitely.
What the hell are you talking about? You set me up? You fucking skank. You set me up.
Jessica Garnett, I've been waiting 4.5 months to say this to you. You're under arrest for grand theft and armed robbery. It's over.